Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Sony Bravia runs Android TV or Google TV. That matters because the app is built in. Connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi now and make sure the signal is stable. Weak Wi-Fi causes lag. Once done, have your Google account credentials ready on your phone or laptop to speed sign-in. Open the home screen on the TV and move to the Apps section. This initiates the app search without delay. Open the Google Play Store or TV apps and search for YouTube. You'll either see Install or Update. Install if missing, or Update to prevent playback issues and enable new features. Once the app opens, choose Sign In and follow the on-screen linking method. Either enter the short code at YouTube. com/activate on your phone or scan the QR code if available. This links your subscriptions and history. Make sure you allow necessary permissions. Now play a video using the remote, voice command, or cast from your phone. Choose 720p, 1080p, or 4K based on your screen and bandwidth. Once playing, adjust picture mode and audio settings to match content. For example, movie mode and surround sound for films. If playback stalls, restart the TV, confirm Wi-Fi strength, and update the YouTube app or TV firmware. If linking fails, sign out and reactivate. This often clears authentication errors and restores normal playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.